Hello everyone, this is Zach and today I'm going to teach you about how to use the Blender add-on called Camera Render Settings. What you can basically do with this add-on is you can actually assign render settings per camera. So one of your cameras can render a video using Cycles engine and one of your cameras can render an image with Eevee engine with a different resolution. To make this possible, developers of this add-on actually assign these properties to each camera. After assigning properties to each camera, you just need to click Render All Cameras button or press Alt F12. Then it will automatically go through all your cameras and apply your settings and then make the render. Thanks to this add-on, you don't have to go back and change your camera settings every time you make a change on your scene. So after making a change on your scene, you just click on the button again and it renders all your cameras in seconds. Go check out this add-on from Blender Market and please let me know in the comments if you liked the video or not.